What if I told you that 95% of people using ChatGPT are basically driving a Ferrari in first gear?
95% of people are using ChatGPT completely wrong, and it's costing them hours every single day.
We're talking about features so powerful, they feel borderline illegal. And here's the crazy part. Most of these are completely free, but almost nobody knows they exist. Number one, Agent Mode, your AI employee. Forget asking ChatGPT questions. What if it could literally do the work for you? Agent Mode is like having a digital employee that controls your computer while you grab coffee.
While you're typing "write me an email," the top 5% have AI literally controlling their screen. It's called Agent Mode. You tell it what you want, find leads, build spreadsheets, research competitors, then you walk away. When you come back, done. You stop being the worker, you become the director.
Here's what blew my mind. I told it find 15 top restaurants in Dubai, create a spreadsheet with addresses, ratings, Instagram links, and opening hours. Then I walked away. When I came back, it had open Google Sheets.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Researched everything and handed me a perfect spreadsheet. It's not just research. It can book travel, generate leads, even fill out forms. Think about it. When AI can click buttons for you, you stop being the doer and become the director.
But screen control is just the beginning. Wait until you see what it can research for you in step 2.
Number 2, deep research mode, your personal analyst. This is where ChatGPT transforms from a chatbot into a Wall Street analyst. Deep research mode doesn't just give you quick answers, it goes nuclear on the internet, verifying sources, cross-referencing data, building real reports.
It's called deep research mode, and most people don't even know it exists. Type lush deep research before your prompt and ChatGPT turns into a Wall Street analyst. It scours the internet, verifies sources, cross-references data, and builds you a legitimate report. Market trends, expert opinions, actionable insights, the kind of stuff consulting firms charge thousands for.
I tested this, analyzed 2025 real estate investment trends in Texas. What came back wasn't some generic response. It was a legitimate research report with market data, expert opinions, and actionable insights, the kind of report consulting firms charge $5,000 for. The secret? Type /deep research before your prompt, or just enable it from here. Most people don't even know this exists, but it's literally like having a research team working 24/7.
Now you've got the research. But what if the AI could grade its own answers and perfect them automatically? And that's step 3.
Self-scoring technique. This hack is absolutely insane. Before ChatGPT gives you an answer, you can make it create its own grading rubric, score its draft, and revise until it hits perfection. Copy this exact prompt. Before finalizing, privately create 5 to 7 criteria for an excellent answer.
This hack is insane. Before ChatGPT gives you an answer, you make it create its own grading rubric. Then it scores its draft, finds the weak spots, and revises until every single criteria hits the highest score. One guy used this for a business proposal. His client asked who wrote it because it was that good. You're making AI compete against itself.
Draft, self-score against criteria, and revise until every criteria hits the highest score. Only show me the final version. I used this for a business proposal. The difference was night and day. Instead of generic advice, I got a proposal so good, my client asked who wrote it. That's the power of making AI compete against itself.
But here's the problem. You're still going to the AI. What if the AI came to you automatically? Step 4, changes everything.
Scheduled tasks, your proactive AI. While everyone's asking ChatGPT questions, the pros have it working in the background.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
Scheduled tasks flip the script. Instead of you going to AI, AI comes to you. I have ChatGPT send me a daily AI news summary every morning at 9 a.m.
It's called scheduled tasks, and it flips the entire script. Instead of you going to AI, AI comes to you. Set it up once, and ChatGPT sends you a daily news summary every morning at 9 a.m. Another task analyzes your calendar weekly and suggests productivity improvements. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and never takes a day off.
Another task analyzes my calendar weekly and suggests productivity improvements. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Set this up once, and ChatGPT becomes proactive instead of reactive. Most people don't even know this feature exists.
Now, the AI works automatically, but what if it could sound exactly like you? Step 5 is where it gets scary good.
Context stacking. Here's where it gets scary good. ChatGPT can remember your preferences, projects, even your communication style across all conversations. But the real hack? Feeding it examples of your best work.
Here's the secret. Feed it examples of your best work. I uploaded 10 of my best email responses and told it to analyze my writing style. Now every single email it writes sounds exactly like me. Same structure, same voice, same personality. The principle is simple. Don't start from scratch, start from excellence. Give it your best, and it replicates that quality every time.
I uploaded 10 of my best email responses and told it to analyze my writing style. Now every email it writes sounds exactly like me. Same tone, same structure, same personality. The principle, don't start from scratch, start from excellence. Give it your best examples and it'll replicate that quality every time.
Screen control, research, self-perfecting, automation, and now cloning your style. That's the SMART framework. The question is, are you going to keep driving the Ferrari in first gear, or are you ready to go full speed? If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.